Neuroblastoma is the second most common malignancy of childhood after brain tumors. It's a small round blue cell tumor which is derived from primordial neural crest cells. It's typically found in the adrenal medulla or sympathetic chain. It's common in children under 5, and we have two unique features in the natural history of neuroblastoma. The first one is a spontaneous regression, and the second one is spontaneous maturation. Now let's see the microscope. When first scanning the microscopic slide of neuroblastoma under low magnification, one thing jumps out immediately. This is a highly cellular tumor, as you can see. We have an ocean of blue-purple dots, which are arranged in specific structures. These blue-purple dots are representing my small round blue cells of neuroblastoma. And as you can see, they are densely packed and arranged in lobular structures. For example, I can see one lobule here, another lobule here, another one here, one small lobule here, and so on. So for low magnification of neuroblastoma, I can say we'll notice an ocean of blue-purple dots which are arranged in lobular structure. Now let's zoom into higher magnification. Here we have a clear picture of those small round blue cells of neuroblastoma. Again, you can see one lobular structure here, and you'll also start to notice one very important point: the light pink background between the cells. That's eosinophilic fibrillary material between the cells, and it has a name: neuropil. Just as a reminder, neuropil is a network of dendritic and axonal processes, and whenever you see this eosinophilic fibrillary material, which is shown as light pink material here, you can say that this tumor has a neural origin. You'll also notice that the nuclei are hyperchromatic, dark and dense. We also have high mitotic activity. We also have carrier X's in some cells where the nucleus breaks into fragments. It's a difficult one to find under microscope, so I don't recommend you to look after it, but just know this point for your theory exams. But if I want to show you one carrier X's in this slide, I can show you this one here. It's a sample of carrier X's where the nucleus is broken down into two segments. We also have another carrier X's here, where the nucleus is broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 small segments here. As I told you, it's a very difficult landmark to find under microscope, so just keep it in mind for your theory exams that we have carrier X's in neuroblastoma. Here is another example of carrier X's. You can see this cell here, in which the nucleus is broken down into 3 segments, 1, 2, and 3. Another carrier X's example is just right here. The nucleus is broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. Another one here into 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. But the most important landmark that you have to notice in neuroblastoma is Wright rosettes. These are tumor cells arranged in circular pattern surrounding a central neuropil material. For example, here we have one Wright rosette. As you can see, I have these small round blue cells that are surrounding a light pink material, which is going to be my neuropil substance. So here is one rosette shape structure. And we can see another rosette-shaped structure just right here. We have these tumor cells surrounding a neuropil structure. Another rosette-shaped structure I can show you is just here. These two are small rosette-shaped structures. You can see the tumor cells surrounding a light pink material. You can again see these tumor cells surrounding a light pink material. And this is one of the best landmarks you can use to find out that this slide is talking about neuroblastoma. Now let's have a quick recap of all the microscopic features of neuroblastoma we've covered in this video. We told you that we see lobules of small round blue cells on low magnification. We can see hyperchromatic nuclei. We can see high mitotic activity and carrier rhexis. We also can notice the eosinophilic neuropil background, and the most important landmark of neuroblastoma, the most famous one, is Wright rosettes. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, please smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Catch you next time guys, stick around with Flymedica.